Hello everyone, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name is Dawson, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive. This vehicle does come with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 139 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque. Come with 16-inch wheels. As you can see on the inside, nice comfortable interior with nice fabric seating. Good for long drives or in city driving. Nice mix of the dark grays and piano black as well. And here in the back seat we've got a decent amount of room too, considering it's a smaller vehicle. I'm just over 6 feet, and even with the seats pushed all the way back, I still have leg room and headroom. So that's definitely a feat for a vehicle of this size. We do have the armrest and cup holder there that you can fold down. Nice feature to have. So here we are at the trunk. There is a release latch right beside the driver's seat there at the bottom. So you just have to pull that, it'll release the trunk. We do have a, once again, really nice sized trunk here considering the size. You can fit lots in here, lots of groceries or anything for sports. Plus we've got the 2 mats there for the different seasons. So really nice to have, so you don't have your floors and everything else all muddied up. Alright, so here we are in the driver's seat. So first thing you're going to notice is we do have a nice little setup with our gauges and our multi-information display. Multi-information display is very easy to use. Just use the directional pad, plus that's the back button right there. So you just scroll over left and right and you can go up and down. So these features here, that is our dynamic radar cruise control and our lane departure alert, our trip distance, the settings for the Toyota Safety Sense. So we have our lane tracing assist, our pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, and the rear parking sensors. And then any messages that pop up if your door is open or any of that stuff. Digital speedometer, your total average for your fuel economy, and your eco indicator. And then we do have our nice infotainment setup that is touchscreen as well as push buttons. So really nice. Still like this physical layout that Toyota's kind of keeping here, along with the touchscreen. It's a really nice blend, especially very convenient while you're driving. We have the actual tuning knobs on both sides too for volume and for changing the station. So I really enjoyed that feature. And then we do have the climate control. So really nice. Once again, very easy to use, very straightforward. You have your fan speed, you have your temperature, and then your settings here for front, rear defrost. And then we do have heated seats for the driver and passenger side, along with our traction control, a nice leather wrap shifter, our parking brake, cup holders, and access to our USB and 12-volt power supply, with a nice amount of storage there in the center console. So all in all, a really nice package that comes together quite well in the end. So there you have it, folks. This is a great deal. Honestly, you cannot beat the value. This is the best bang for your buck in the end. And at the end of the day, it's a comfortable ride. You still get plenty of features, and of course, very fuel efficient. So come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.